Alright, welcome to another of my video tutorial. This is a review of status. Alright, so I've already set up my account. Setting up an account is very easy. Alright, so let's go in and see what the app looks like. This app is built on Ethereum blockchain. So it's kind of like having let's say WhatsApp and an Ethereum wallet at once. Now, I love the fact that you can see your currency, your balance in your own local currency, and that is beautiful. It didn't just come that way. I had to set it. Right, I had to set it. So let's go back to home. Now, of course, I had to check this out. These are different groups that you could join. You can also leave any of this group. To join a group, you just click here, and then you click start new chat. This is to chat with someone, and you put the code, the person's code here, which I don't really like. I wish we could actually chat with a person's username. You could also join several group chats. Sorry about this. There are several group chats right here. CryptoKittens, DApp. You can also create your own group chat. Right now, you can open a DApp. These are different dApps that are built right now on Ethereum blockchain. This is an exchange. These are exchanges. This is a marketplace, fun and games. CryptoKittens, the most popular one. Right, social networks. I think I know about Pipet already. Right, so you could join any of this dApp, and also you could invite friends. So you just copy the link right there and invite whoever you want to invite. So this app is like having a social media and a wallet for Ethereum based tokens, right? For Ethereum based assets. To receive transaction, that's the address to receive transaction. To send, you put the address and then you send. You can get your account history. You can manage assets. You click the assets you want to add and get added. It's actually pretty simple to use, and you click done, and then you get added. So that means from this app you can actually spend different tokens built on Ethereum blockchain, right? So this is, you want to share my address, I'll just have to click here, and then to change your currency from USD, you can use any of your local currency that you're used to. So I'm in Nigeria right now, so I have to use Nigerian Naira. All right, so this is beautiful, and I love the app. Now they are still working on the app to make it get better, but for now this is what status looks like.